Well, howdy, folks. Hopefully, this is working this time. I just had YouTube fail. Let's see. Do that, and it's missing those. All right. Hopefully, YouTube is working this time. I don't know why it failed. All right. So, oh, forgetting something. Let me, one more thing. Doop de doop de doo. And let's see. That looks like it's working. And Twitch up. I think Twitch is up. Sweet. Okay. And let me go back and make sure YouTube's still working. Looks like it is. All right, my apologies for the slow start here. This will probably be a short stream as well. I got some other stuff going on and probably be back on streaming after a break here of a couple hours. So last time, let's do a recap. Last time we were working on building these dialog modals. And so right now, this is actually a dialog, everything we're seeing here, and then these are dialogs, and they're not closing anything right now. That's by design because we need to hook them up to stuff. And we've also got to change these forms out. So we're trying to get this to match the design more or less with, you know, some flexibility here because we're dealing with a responsive browser and these designs are not. So let's, what's going on here? Fit to screen. There we go. All right, so we're trying to build this out. What should happen is you've got a username there and you've got a username there and the recovery phrase for importing. So we need to get two dialogues that match those different scenarios. And then as well as that, this one would just close out after you import it. This one, however, goes to a next page where you're going to see the recovery phrase that gets generated. So we've got to do both of those things. I'm not sure we'll get them done in this stream, but we're going to try. So let's see, generate, let's do generate first. So new wallet, new wallet. Let's find where this is implemented. I believe it's in main. Oh no! YouTube is down again. What the heck, YouTube? Are my others still up? I might just keep going. The others are still streaming. I don't know what's up with YouTube, but it's crapping out again. Boo, YouTube, boo. All right, well, I'm recording this, so maybe I'll upload it to YouTube after the fact because YouTube is being difficult. Let's see here. All right. And yeah, everything else looks like it's still going, so. So the way this is set up right now is the onboard setup dialog is this one that is full screen. That's why it says placement full screen. But this other one, I think we're just using one right now. So wallet gen is getting triggered for the submit in onboarding. Let's pull up that and so override happens. And the reason I'm looking at this is in override, we want to get, I think inside the event, what am I looking for again? Return value. So we want the dialog return value. And so the element is the dialog. So let's see if we can access it there. So and for this, we want so state dot elements, I think, dot dialog dot return value. Let's see what that prints. It printed nothing, so that did not do what we needed. So let's see if instead we can do so that didn't work either. Feel like that one should have worked. Hmm. Maybe we could do that. So let's copy this out. I believe we had event target is the form, and that's where we're getting the value. So event target, event submitter from entries. All right, let's see if this will work. Probably don't want to set it like that. All right. Generate. So that's what we were after there. And import. Okay, that's what I wanted to get access to. Okay. So it might be worth wrapping this. Oops. Um, so then come back here. Am I including utils already? Doesn't look like. Oh wait, I am. Form data entries. Which means then we could do the event. Clean up the code just a tiny little bit. And we could also copy that here. Oh, derp. Okay. And refresh. Oh, I should get some music going. My apologies. Okay. Okay. All right, so we did this so that we could say if FD intent is equal to generate, we do that. Else if I probably could just do an else here, but in case something else needs to get added or whatever, I'm doing that. So that was generate and import. Okay. Do that because one needs something like that. So wallet gen. Wallet. And the phrasing we need for the import one is existing wallet. Okay, footer, add wallet. And we can actually modify generate now because generate doesn't need two of them with field sets. But let's update this stuff. So recovery phrase or private key. No, not or private key. Recovery phrase. And all right, and in length. Paste your 12. Let's size this down. It's a little irritating. I can't scroll. Oh wait, there we go. Sweet. All right. Paste. Your or a? Paste a 12-word recovery phrase. You add and existing wallet. Let's call this alias. Nope. Go alias, alias, alias. Drop that. All right. And wallet imp. Wait, did I just do that backwards even though I thought I fixed it? Whoops. Let's see. So I suppose I had doubled up. I guess I don't really need fields. It's not really being used right now. Let's empty that out for now. And drop this here so that I can split it up like so. And that. And while we're at it, let's empty this one out too. Okay, I didn't mean to refresh that one. Let's refresh this. That don't look right. That's not right. That one's right. What's going on? So, wallet, generate. Did I foobar that? It's not a big deal. I guess I'll just copy this. All right, alias, your alias. Existing recovery phrase. Is this looking right? Yeah, I guess that it looks a little weird having it come out past the label, but it is more or less matching the design. Next to generate your wallet and recovery phrase. So I was thinking about this, and in footer, perhaps we can add a sup dog. Come on. You know you want to... There we go. Hit next to generate a new wallet and dang it, refreshed it again. All right. That's not right. That didn't fix it. I was pretty sure I had something like that. That's why I searched. So if we come back here and say column, sweet. But it's not matching quite yet. No, not that one. Oh yeah, I can't inspect. Dang it. So it's dark 200. Dark 200 text center. It is already centered. Wait, no, it is already centered. But we also need about 1.25 margin between it. So this is for the dialogue. So let's go in here and find footer. Now it was lucky. We were already really close. So sup margin bottom 1.25, I think. Yeah. And we want to say color far dark 200. Although I might have something else set up that might be a better option. Let's see. CN. I'm going to use CN instead of dark because CN is meant to be overridden for the light style as well. So there we go. Looks pretty close. And am I missing anything from this one? Nope. I mean, I guess I'm missing that. Okay. So I'm thinking we're gonna want one more of these. I might find a different way to do this later, but this will probably be the quickest. So generate next. So we'd still have new wallet. Instead, this would be done. We don't really have a cancel here. Just gonna leave it like that for now. Right, we're gonna do it like that for now. And so wallet back, I believe, and wallet back. FDE, we don't care as much about the intent here, as there's only one really. Okay, and then all it back would be all right, so we close the generate, we render and show. It might be better to do it like that. I don't know, we'll see. Then we're probably gonna need something like that for import. Oh wait, we haven't copied those, so I think it's that one. And okay, let's refresh. Go back to console, clear that out. So generate, onboarding override, dialog render after onboarding override, dialog generate. Okay, next. I didn't like how it did that flash, so, or fade, or whatever you want to call it. So what I'm thinking is for generate, instead of closing first, let's render a show and hopefully it's behind. Okay, so generate. Okay. And the other thing we want to do is generate recovery. So on submit, so this is generate, which means there would be no phrase here. Ruh-roh. So phrase is being set right there. But if we take this and instead say let phrase now should be available here. The other thing I just realized is it might be handy in this render function in Dialog to be able to also update the state. I think that may be possible. So render does this. So if we did that, we could then do And then wallet backup. Should have that in its state here. So instead of lots of words, we could do state dot wallet recovery phrase, I believe. Let's try it. Nope. I got greedy. Non-read properties of reading recovery phrase. Let's see, console.log. Dialog render. State render state. All right. Oh, derp. Some of it worked. Oh. Wallet. Why is that happening? Render. So generate wallet returns that. And render state. So dialog render and render state. Certainly looks like it's there. I suppose this must actually be getting rendered as soon as the dialog is set up. So let's see. So form enter H. Okay, so it's not there when it gets run, but I'm wondering if we did that. Let's see. Whoops. There we go. So now instead of backup. Let's add a util. Whoops. Okay. Then we take phrase to spans. We do this. And I think if we come here and let's see. Dark 500 is the border. Let's check the theme first. Dark 500. All right, I'm gonna use dark 500 for now. I'll do that. Border 1 pixel solid and bar. Whoops. Line items, flex, start, and gap is 0.625 rim. We might need flex direction column. All right, let's try that. Uh-oh. Map. Not read properties of undefined. So let's see. Yes, it is one run. Looking a little closer, I think maybe because of the border, it's not looking like it's lining up right, but that looks pretty dang close to me. So I'm going to leave it there for now. We also want to, I wonder if I have like a copy class or something. So I had a way of, let's see. Yeah, so I thought I had copied something like this over. Well, maybe let's try that then. Oh, and I actually need to start wrapping up here. Okay, see if I can get this implemented real quick before I wrap up. So in here, class tag. So that. And we need to go into here and say class is equal to tag. All right, let's see if that improves anything. Because I think it should have a lot of the styles from crowd node. It's not right. It's possible I wrote some of the stuff I'm using here. So section wrap. Okay.
It's about time you showed up, Fox. You're the only hope for our world.
Roger, General. We're entering Corneria City now. All aircraft report. Falco here. I'm fine. This is Peppy. All systems go.
Flippy here. I'm okay.
Check your G-diffuser system. Open the wing.
Here they come. Everybody stay alert.
It's quiet. Too quiet. I'll check it out. I see him up ahead. Let's rock and roll.
All right, that is still there. So field set section. Dialog. It does have responsive. It's the field set first child section article. That's odd. I don't know, why isn't it getting these styles? Definitely got responsive there.
Get this guy off.
On field set section.
Let's back up the squadron.
All right, that's a little bit perplexing to me. Okay, I gotta wrap up. Apologies. So I will circle back to this my next stream. And yeah, we'll get this one hooked up as well. So thanks for anyone who watched or watches later. Please consider... Oh wait, there we go. liking, following, subscribing, commenting, sharing. I don't know. Anything like that. It's much appreciated. Anyways, catch you all on the flip side.